gotta go into your dealership and you have to order one. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is going to be a good news video. Why? Because right now in these times of uncertainty with vehicle availability, vehicle production, a lot of you already know about the RAV4 Primes, almost impossible to get right now. Some of the vehicles very, very difficult to get, even if you place your order. This is going to be a good news, good story video because there is going to be supply of these 2022 Tundras if you do what I'm about to tell you. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Marcello back from Toyota World, and I'm sitting inside of our amazing dealership Maple Toyota, and I'm actually inside of what is my office here to talk to you guys about something that it's not being talked about or spoken about too much out there on social, on YouTube, general internet right now. Not too many guys talking about the availability and how long it's going to take you to get a 2022 Tundra. What's the ordering process like? How long will you wait? When are they actually landing on the dealership lots? So what is the expected timing right now? And also, have there been any issues? Is there going to be any issues with the supply of these trucks? Having all these supply issues right now, it's hard to get vehicles, computer chip shortages, and all that. So I'm going to talk to you guys about this just ahead. But before I do, don't forget to smash a thumbs up for this video. And of course, subscribe down below for constant cool videos of your favorite Toyotas. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, take a look at some of my videos. I also did do a collaboration with Toyota Jeff down in the US. I myself am in Canada, and I really like talking about the realness of this issue, which is short supply of vehicles. I really like being upfront, honest, and forward. That's how I am. That's how our dealership is. And if you guys caught it or not, a couple of days ago, I was on CBC News, the National, discussing this with one of the reporters. I will put a link to that video so you guys can go back and watch it later. But in any event, let's get right to it for these beautiful 2022 Tundras. As you guys know already, right now, if you want to get a RAV4, if you want to get a Highlander, if you want to get a Corolla, whether it's gas or hybrid, you have to put in a factory order, and the timeline can be anywhere from a couple of weeks to a couple of months to get that vehicle. So what we've been told, the good news, guys, is that Toyota has been stockpiling all the parts necessary, the chips necessary to produce and fulfill the sold orders for these 2022 Tundras, guys. Whether you're talking about the iForce V6 twin turbo, whichever package you're going to try to go with. Of course, TRD Pro aside, TRD Pro is always a niche product in the sense where Toyota doesn't make many of those in general. So yeah, TRD Pro will be pretty limited. Each dealer will get a small handful per year. That I don't think is going to change. I don't think. But with regards to the other models, the TRD Sports, the TRDs, the SR5, stuff like that, what Toyota has told us is that the parts shortages, chip shortages will not, that issue will not trickle over to the Tundras, at least for the immediate time right now. So what we're telling all of our customers, and what I'm going to tell you guys, is if you are in the market for a Toyota Tundra, the non-hybrid version is going to be landing at the dealerships coming December 2021. If you're looking at the hybrid equivalent, you're looking at April 2022. That is when the ETAs are. I don't think they will change because we're already pushing close to December right now, and here we are in pretty much end of October, and we haven't gotten any feedback from Toyota that December date is going to be pushed. So by the end of the year, we will see the 2022 Tundras landing, and then in April, we will see the hybrid versions landing. So what I'm about to tell you guys right now will hopefully get you guys to, I mean, there's a lot of videos out there on the 2022 Tundras, a lot. There's some channels putting out multiple videos, but no one's really talking about what you need to do to get one. So right now in our system, we have what's called like a sold order system, a sold order tool where we build a deal with a customer and we put in the sold order request. to Toyota, to the factory, and for the most part, they get fulfilled usually within a few weeks, and then the vehicle goes into production. So we've already been doing this, guys, for the 2022 Tundras for about a month. That's right. So for about a month, as early as end of September, early October, we've been already filling the order bank for the 2022 Toyota Tundras in pretty much any of the models. So that is the only way that you're going to be able to get yourself a 2022 Tundra. I don't see that there will be much stock on the ground on the dealership lots. That's not how you're going to get a 2022 Tundra. How you're going to get a 2022 Tundra is going into your dealership now and putting in a factory order. So don't wait, if you can, until the actual Tundra arrives on the lot to go see it and then to buy it, unless you're okay with waiting from that point onwards, which is probably going to take a few months for them to actually get the order in, build it, send it into the dealership. Because yeah, there's not going to be much available stock. Everything that's going to be coming in for us, for example, we're going to have Tundras coming in. Like I just said in this video, Toyota is not going to have an issue supplying the sold orders. Will we get some inventory? Maybe a little bit, just to have one or two. I don't think we'll actually have available ones here, because all the ones that we're going to be getting are going to be from our sold order system that we've already been filling with. I mean, we're about a month in, like I said, and we're probably about 15 to 20 orders deep already. So that's gonna eat up at least the first month. So within the first month or so, just right now, we're already getting all of our Tundras in pre-sold. So you will get your Tundra. It will get built. Go in, make the order, get your order put into the dealership's sold order system, and yes, it will end up getting fulfilled. As I mentioned, there is no current supply issues, supply shortages with the 2022 Tundra. Toyota did know this was going to be coming out and getting introduced in these kind of times, so they do have what's needed set aside to produce the 2022 Tundra, and you will get it so long as you put in your factory order. And of course, guys, limited production models aside, TRD Pro and so on. But guys, go and put in your order. Okay guys, I hope I was able to give you a little bit of value in this video and talk to you guys basically about what's going on with the supply of the 2022 Tundras. Will you actually get one if you buy one, or will it be something that gets put on like a never plan, and if and when it comes? Well, no, as you know now after watching this video, if you go in and put in your order, you will get your 2022 Tundra, hopefully, like I mentioned, in about a 3-month window. Guys, don't forget to smash a thumbs up on this video, and of course subscribe for constant cool videos of your favorite Toyotas. Take care.